This is a two-bedroom condominium located in Cuesta del Sol, just 5 minutes from downtown David. Situated inside a gated community, the property offers controlled access, shared pool facilities, and organized residential infrastructure. The condo includes approximately 118 square meters of interior space, with an open living and dining area and a functional kitchen layout. There are 2 bedrooms, well-distributed bathrooms, and practical storage, designed for comfortable, full-time living. David is the commercial center of Chiriquí, with hospitals, shopping centers, schools, and Enrique Malek International Airport within a short drive. Properties in this price category, within secure communities near downtown, tend to maintain consistent demand for both owner occupancy and rental use. If you are looking for a manageable property in a strategic urban location, this condo deserves a closer look. Contact Casa Solution to request full details.